Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an exciting AI agent that's going to supercharge your marketing game in Delaverse, the SMS Marketing Automation AI Agent. Imagine sending personalized SMS messages to your customers without lifting a finger. This AI agent takes your customer data, crafts tailored messages based on your brand, and automates the whole process. It's perfect for small businesses or teams wanting to boost engagement and sales efficiently, saving you time while making your campaigns feel personal and effective. Getting started is a breeze. Log into your Delaverse account and head to the playground. Create a new project and simply name it SMS Marketing Automation. If you have a ready-made workflow file, like a JSON import, upload it to instantly set up all the pieces. You're now ready to build and tweak your agent right from the dashboard. Let's break down the magic behind this agent. First, gather your data sources. Upload customer lists from files, pull in brand guidelines from Google Docs, or connect spreadsheets for detailed info. You can even link external tools like your CRM for real-time updates. Everything flows into one spot for smart personalization. Next, the heart of the agent, the AI assistant. It scans all your data and whips up custom SMS or email messages that speak directly to each customer. Like, hey, loved your last purchase? Here's a special offer just for you. Then route those messages out through the SMS tool to blast them to phones, or use Telegram for interactive chats and quick reports. It's all about reaching people where they are. To keep things running smoothly, add a trigger that schedules sends. Think daily blasts or time-based promotions, so your marketing happens on autopilot. Keep an eye on performance with the built-in dashboard. Run tests to preview messages and see how the workflow flows. Track delivery success, open rates, and customer responses to understand what's clicking and refine your strategy on the fly. Want to level up? Dive deeper by adding more data connections for richer insights. Tweak the AI's instructions for even more spot-on messages, or layer in analytics tools to measure campaign ROI. It's all about customizing to fit your goals. Start simple and scale as you go. With the SMS Marketing Automation AI Agent, you'll save hours on manual outreach, connect better with your audience, and watch your engagement soar. Whether you're promoting deals or nurturing leads, this tool empowers you to market smarter in Delaverse. Give it a spin today and see the difference. Your customers and your results will thank you.